Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the zebra whistle item in Grow Garden game of Roblox Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you the function of this item, I'm going to show you guys how we can get the zebra whistle. If you want to get this item, you can go to the Safari shop right here, and you can buy the zebra whistle with 15 million shekels. And this is the function of this item. Basically, it can make your pets run around the farm. And let's try it. And it has sound. Wait, let me make my sound louder. Okay, and I'm going to click anywhere like this, and it can make all your pets run. And yeah, this is just for fun. Oops, I need to wait for 5 seconds. Okay, all my pets are running right now, and let's try it one more time. Okay, now my pets are running around the farm. And okay guys, that's how we can use the zebra whistle in Grow Garden game of Roblox Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.